The online user guide is a great resource for you if you get stuck while you're using the software and don't really know what to do. It is very simply laid out where it breaks down into the basics, real estate reviews, patterns, pricing, positioning, settings, and kind of breaking this into 3 parts, kind of like we're doing with these tutorials. Now, if you are stuck on something, all you have to do is come to your title area, click on Customize Real Estate Review, for example, and then follow the instructions here on the page. Simply go up and down to go through the whole Real Estate Reviews area, which is here in this section. Now to go back to that previous page, you either click back on the window back arrow here, or click Index, which will bring you right back to this this whole table of contents. So for example, if I went back to the buying pattern, you'll see that in the patterns guide, we have things like the odds of selling, time to sell, and the buying pattern, all that in one area. Then click Index, you're going to be right back to here. Now, how do you get to this user guide? The way you get here is twofold. You can come to FocusFirst.com, go to our support area, and then click Access the Online Software Users Guide. Or, more simply, in your software, if you get stuck, click here, and this will open up the user guide for you. Then, go ahead and go through the steps and use the software to become a pricing expert.